Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's time. Don't worry about all the boxes and all the mess. It's time to put the diffuser on. So I'm excited. If you guys ain't know, it's time. This diffuser is going on the car. It's going on you, baby. The diffuser. I'm ready. I'm ready. So for today though, I have my little cousin helping me put it on because you need two people for this. I'm letting you guys know right now. I tried to put it on myself to make sure that it's correct. It's not correct. You need two people. Just try to find somebody to help you. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reverse the car. Pull it up in here a little bit. Yeah, in here is fine. Pull it up in here a little bit because it's hot outside. And we're just going to get everything started. All right. So let's do that. Alright, so the car's in the garage. This is the tools that we're going to use. Not all of them, but there's little screws that I need. And it's my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
So she's going to help me put it on because you need two people to put this on. Alright. So without further ado, let's get started. So what did we just do?
I guess we just screwed one part of the car in.
So we screwed, so this is how it's gonna sit. I mean, we're gonna put that back up, but we screwed in one side. So that's the modification I was telling you guys. You have to screw it in, but it's gonna look good. Lift the other side up. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna look aggressive. Might have to do a little trimming right here. That's no problem. All right. I could put that side up. Just hold it. Let me go over there. Make sure that it doesn't turn. Oh, there goes my... Alright guys, so the diffuser is on. So, of course I had to screw it. That's why I said the modifications. So there's a screw there, screw right there, screw there, screw down there, and 2 screws over there. It is sitting up nicely. So, these little blue pieces right there, they're gonna have to be cut off. I tried to do this one with a knife, as you can see up there and down there. But that was gonna take too long, so I'm gonna have to go to one of my friend's house. He has a little electrical small saw, and he could cut that off for me. So I'm gonna have to do that. But besides that, guys, here's the diffuser. It looks sexy. I'm so fucking happy. But I have tape here. The reason why I have tape is because I'm gonna cover those screws. But I'm gonna paint this tape black first, and then I'm gonna cover the screws. And then I'll show you that when I'm done. Let's do it. All right, guys, so I cleaned up my mess. There's no mess. Here it is. Look at this. So it's funny. Just adding a diffuser makes the car look so much more aggressive. Like, you guys have to see this in person to see how aggressive this car looks. And now, looking at it with the diffuser on, I'm just excited because of what I'm gonna add on to this car. It's just gonna make it look overly aggressive. You know, like... Now, one thing I would recommend, if you guys are gonna go with a Q50 exhaust, yeah, it fits perfectly, but remember this. There's 2 different styles of Q50 exhaust. The one that my friend had, this one is just a little bit smaller than the other ones. And I seen a video of where someone had the other one and it fit kind of perfectly than this one. But this one is, it's just fine. As you can see, the exhaust is not touching. Once I cut off that little piece right there, I might have to put it just a little higher. But then again, on my car, I don't know if you guys noticed before, but that exhaust is sitting perfectly. And then that one was always a little slanted, like it was never straight. But don't worry about that, because I'm going to change the exhaust anyways. But guys, here's the back of the car. Oh my God, this booty just got better. I'm excited. I'm excited. So, wow. I'm super excited right now because I have so much more stuff planned for this car. Like, I'm excited. And like I said, if you have a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima, I got you. All right, just come on the channel. I got, oh man, look at this. That's my car. Oh, it's gonna be fire. All right, so it didn't take that long. I am drenched, as you guys can see. I am like, you know, it's hot. It was fun. You know, my cousin, she had to go out with my sister, so she's not here no more. But huge help to her, huge shout out to her. Thank you. Without her, I probably would have botched all this, you know. So, thank you to that. And guys, stay tuned. All right, I have a lot of stuff coming up for this car. And like I said, if you guys watch my car review videos, there's one car that I reviewed I'm really excited about. So if you're smart, stay tuned. It's coming to the channel, I'm telling you. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. like, subscribe, comment, guys. Stay blessed, be safe. I'm gonna show you guys one more time, all right? Just look at it. Ooh. Oh, real quick, I forgot to mention, yeah, I do have my backup lights. No, I did say they're blue. My brake lights. I have the blinking brake lights. I know you guys saw that in the middle of the video. Like, if I brake the car, it's gonna blink. I got that off of this page on Instagram. I don't remember the name of them. I wish I did. I would have tagged them, but I don't remember. I think it's just called blinking brake lights. I don't know, but they were like 20 bucks. You know, just awesome. I had it installed ever since. So, wow. I'm sorry. It just looks so different with the diffuser on. Like, that makes such a huge difference. That's why I can't wait for a spoiler and to just, guys, thanks so much for watching, all right? Stay classy. See y'all next time. Peace.